Alabama has a law called the Youthful Offender Act. And what that law does is it allows the court, the judge, to give somebody a break who is accused of having committed a crime and who is under the age of 21. This applies even if they're in court after they're 21, but if the crime was committed before somebody's 21st birthday, they qualify to ask a judge to treat them as a youthful offender. Why is this important? If a judge grants a youthful offender status, the records of the proceeding are not open to the general public. And that's important. If you're seeking a job, then the public won't know about it. Fingerprints or photographs or other information pertaining to your case, again, that's sealed. Nobody gets to see it other than the court. So, if you've been granted youthful offender status and you get in trouble again, the judge or the court system will be able to see that, but not the general public. If you want to have a trial as a youthful offender, you can do so. However, it's going to be a judge-only trial. Why? Because you can't have both a jury trial, which is open to the public, and a youthful offender proceeding, which is sealed to the public at the same time. So if you're granted youthful offender status, but you're saying, hey, I didn't commit this crime, that's fine. It's just that your case is going to be tried by a judge. Let's say that you either have admitted to being a youthful offender or you have been found to have committed a crime as a youthful offender. The consequences for you may be different than for those of an adult. And that's because under the Youthful Offender Act, if a person is found to have committed a misdemeanor offense, well, you don't get as much of a break there because the range of punishment is up to a year in jail, and it's the same as for an adult. So for a misdemeanor crime, which means anything where the punishment doesn't go beyond a year in jail, your punishment remains the same under the Youthful Offender Act as far as any kind of jail time. However, if you've been found to have committed a felony crime under the Youthful Offender Act, you potentially could get a pretty significant break. Why? A felony means any criminal offense for which the punishment starts at a year and a day and goes up to life in prison. But under the Youthful Offender Act, the maximum punishment is 3 years. So let's say somebody has been adjudicated a youthful offender for a serious offense, maybe first-degree robbery. While an adult could be going to the penitentiary for many, many years, a youthful offender can't be sentenced to beyond 3 years. So there's a number of benefits to the Youthful Offender Act. If you're under 21, be sure to ask your lawyer or the judge about youthful offender status. Of course, if you're in a legal jam here in North Alabama and you'd like our help, just give us a call. Phone number's below. Thank you for watching.